Welcome to this video. Today we'll explore an advanced integration scenario with Oracle NetSuite platform. In addition to integrating with standard objects like customer record, order, and invoices, working with custom objects is a common requirement. Custom objects play a vital role in addressing specific use cases across various scenarios. In this video, we'll demonstrate how easily you can use Cyclr to build an out-of-the-box integration. We'll start by loading customer data from your SaaS application and creating a corresponding customer record in Oracle NetSuite. For each customer, we'll also create a certification record, which is a custom record created in a particular Oracle NetSuite account. Let's get started and build this integration together. Before we dive into building the integration, the first step is installing the Oracle NetSuite connector. This connector was developed by our Cyclr team to make the process as seamless as possible. We've taken care of the complex authentication process and have converted most of NetSuite's API endpoints into ready-to-use methods within our low-code workflow development platform. That means you don't have to worry about handling raw API calls or writing extensive code. Everything is designed to be as straightforward as possible. Installing the NetSuite connector is quick and easy. All you need to do is enter your account ID, client secret, and other required credentials, all based on NetSuite's token-based authentication. Once you've added these details, the connector will be ready to use, allowing you to sync data effortlessly between NetSuite and your SaaS application. If you need a more detailed walkthrough, we've got a step-by-step installation guide available to help you through the process. Now that we've completed the authorization setup, let's begin by exploring some background information about the Oracle NetSuite. Within the Suite Cloud platform, there is a custom record called Certification, which includes two key data fields: certification name and related linked customer ID. The certification name field is a pick list containing a series of certification options, while the customer field is related to the customer ID of the standard customer record. Moving to the Cyclr platform, navigate to the setup page of the pre-built Oracle NetSuite connector, where you'll find standard record methods readily available. To work with custom record, open the enhanced object method. Click the button in the top right corner to create a custom object category, then select the custom object, object name, custom record, Cyclr certification from the autoload list and copy it. After reloading, you will notice that Cyclr has automatically created methods for the custom object, certifications such as list, create, and delete. To demonstrate, let's test the getRecord method. By entering a record ID, you can quickly retrieve a specific certification record. Next, let's continue building the workflow. Using the workflow design tool, you can drag and drop the list all customer method from your SaaS application and connect it to the standard create customer method within the NetSuite connector. From there, complete the necessary data mapping through the configuration window. Afterward, link this step to the Create Custom Object Record action from the certification category that we created in the previous step. In this automation scenario, our goal is to ensure that every customer is certified with ISO 14001. To do this, we'll set the certification ID to 1, then select the corresponding linked customer ID. Next, we'll match that ID with the customer ID returned in step 2, right after the customer is created. Once everything is configured, we can run the workflow and review the results. When reviewing the audit log, you will see that 2 customer records were successfully loaded from the GoSaaS application. Following this, 2 customer records were created in Oracle NetSuite and 2 corresponding certification records were generated. A quick check within Oracle NetSuite confirms that the records were created as expected. Before concluding, it is important to highlight 2 key benefits of using Cyclr embedded platform. First, Cyclr supports multiple tenants within a single platform, ensuring that each account remains completely independent. This capability is especially useful when working with different clients who have unique Oracle NetSuite configurations. For example, Customer A's account can connect to their Oracle NetSuite instance with a configuration that includes the custom record certification. Meanwhile, Customer B's account can connect to their Oracle NetSuite instance with an entirely different configuration, such as a separate custom object, courses. This flexibility ensures a high level of security and efficiency, making Cyclr an excellent solution for managing integrations across multiple clients. Secondly, you can create business-driven workflows by using the utility connector. For example, we can enhance the workflow by adding a decision step. For example, if a customer's category is set to manufacturing, the system will automatically assign an additional certification for ISO 9001. This makes the customization process straightforward and highly efficient. We hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed the walkthrough. Thank you for watching.